So I'll echo pretty much what everyone has already said. So certainly identity and access management is paramount for us. We're kicking off an initiative to do that. Absolutely. We did an RFI a couple months ago, and we're going to press forward with that rapidly. Right, knocking down the barriers to entry, whether they're governance, whether they're security, whether they're cyber, whether they're acquisition. We've got some pretty good things in place right now. You know, the Department of Defense writ large is struggling with the implementation of RMF, and so we're trying to make some streamlined efforts there, as well as finding the right talent and skills, whether it's from the commercial sector or internal, right? And that actually goes back a little bit to the culture, right? Sure. And one thing I want to talk about, it came up in the challenges, but this is also something that I see as a priority for us in the future. So the Army has this thing, it's called freedom of movement on the battlefield, right? We believe cloud is going to give us this freedom of movement in the IT space, right? But there's challenges that come along with that. Very specifically, how do we retain our ability from a cyber protection team to go into a commercial cloud provider when something goes wrong, when we have an incursion, when we have a state or non-state actor come in and try to break into us? How do we go in there and do the same level of analysis that we have the ability to do today? So we want to see some research and development done in that area as well. And the last thing I'll mention, which we really haven't talked about a lot, is the expeditionary nature of the Army and some of the Department of Defense elements, as well as state and others, right? How do we operate in a disconnected environment, right? So that is a major priority for us, a disadvantaged, disconnected, or a contested environment, right? So we have people who are intentionally trying to limit our ability to access to bandwidth and to the capabilities, right? So we're really struggling with that right now. I hear these commercials, on the radio, on W2P and whatnot, right, saying, hey, we give cloud to tactical edge. I don't believe it. The clouds today are based on broadband, low latency network connections, right? But we do need to push that processing to the edge. I think Jeff mentioned that earlier, right? Push that processing to the edge, do all the processing we can as close as we can to the point of collection of the data, and then bring it back to the enterprise.
Right. And